Hello dear students, I am Pratima. I welcome you all. So one more question to find the speed of the train using quadratic equations. So this can or may come as your case study question. So read the question very carefully. A train covers a distance of 480 kilometer at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less than it would have taken 3 hours more to cover distance. Find the usual speed of the train. Question is similar. You have to find the usual speed of the train. The information given as it is covering distance of 480 kilometer at a uniform speed, which we have to find out. But other information is also given. If the speed had been 8 kilometer per hour less, then it would even take 3 hours more. So when it will decrease the speed, certainly it will take more time, because time and speed are indirectly proportional to each other, but the distance is same. So as we do usually, we'll take the usual speed of the train be x. So starting from solution, let the usual speed of the train be x kilometer per hour. Now usual time taken by train to cover 480 kilometer is 480 by x. Now what would be speed? Would be speed will be is 8 less, that means x minus 8 kilometer per hour. Then would be time will be maybe 3 hours more, but what would be in term of this distance and speed? It will be 480 upon x minus 8 hour. Of course this is all hour. Now the difference between the previous time and would be time is equal to how much? This is hour, this is also hour. Which one is greater? If you will remember, when speed is more, the time will be less. So 480 by x is greater than 480 by x minus 8. Or when the denominator decreases, value your increases. So this is wrong. What will be it is? It will be 480 by x is your less than this. How much less? It will be 3 hours less. It will take 3 hours more. So what I'll write would be time and original time or usual time, the difference is equal to 3. So this is the equation. You have to solve it. You have to make into quadratic equation and you will solve it. So when denominator is less, x minus 8 is less than your x, the value is greater, fraction is bigger. If this is correct, this equation is correct, whole thing will be correct. Let us go for solution because we should not waste time. So it will be x into x minus 8. Here will be 48x. This will be multiplies minus 48 into x minus 8 is equal to 3. Or 48 480x minus 480x minus multiply 480 into 8, 0, 480 into your 8, 3840, 3840. It will be plus, it will be 3 into x square minus 8x, or these two will be cancelled, or I am getting 3 into x square minus 8 is equal to 3840. I'm cancelling with 3. How much I'll get? 3 1 3 3 2 6 380. So I'm getting x square minus 8x minus 1280 is equal to 0. Now you have to solve it. This is the quadratic equation, you have to solve it. So here I am applying the quadratic formula because 1280 is a very big number. So what is the formula? I'll first find the d. D is equal to your b square, 8 square 64 minus 4 into 1 into 1280. It is negative, so it will be positive. So how much will I'm getting? 64 plus 1280 gives me 5120. You can multiply 4 8 are 32, carries 3, 4 2 are 8, 1 5. Okay, so this will be 5184. Now I'll get the square root of d. 5184. 5184. Let me find the square root. It will be 7 times 49. Then you have 284. 7 plus 7 is 14. So certainly you will get 2. So square root will be 72. So what is the formula? Formula is your x is equal to minus b. So minus b is negative here. So plus minus 72 by 2. So once I'm getting 8 plus 72 by 2. Once I'm getting 8 minus 72 by 2. So x is equal to 80 by 2. That will be 40. X is equal to minus 64 by 2. That is minus 32. So this is not possible because speed cannot be negative. Speed is always positive. So 41, x is equal to 40 is the answer. So what will be the statement? So usual speed be 40 kilometer per hour. So I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Next, we'll go for another such problems. Thank you. Bye bye.